Hi, this is Devashish Das from Circuit Digest, once again back with another video, and in front of me is the test circuit for the ESP32 and BLE based proximity sensor project. And as you can already see, I have already flashed the code to the ESP32 module, and it's showing me the nearby BLE devices with their RSSI values. And if I put a BLE device near to this board, the board will trigger and a LED will turn on. As you can see, the LED just turned on, and if I put this device away, the LED will turn off. By the way, I am using my Mi band to trigger the ESP32 module. So you can use any BLE based beacon type module. And if you want to learn more about the topic and how did I make it, and how, if you want to know more, you can check the given link below in the description. So thank you for watching.